Hello everyone, Archana here. As you can see, I have really beautiful collection here and I'm going to show you today Stamperia's brand new collection which are here. I'm so sorry it got here a little late because of the custom, all those things. We have to clear those things before I get my products in my hand. So it got a little bit time to reach here. So the first collection is one of the most favorite collection. I can see this one which called Passion, and in this collection we are going to get 112 by 12 sorry 112 by 12 paper pad, then one 8 by 8 paper pad, then we have a chipboard, then we have two types of die cuts. So there is a difference. I'll show you what's exactly. One die cut is little bit expensive than this one. This is their regular die cut pieces, but this one called clear one. So I think it has some kind of plastic or acetate. They have used mostly acetate, I can see, but it's strong acetate. So we will open this one and see. So there are two die cuts, and there are two types of wooden pieces. I can't wait to use these ones. Look at these two doors. I love doors and windows and all. So we have that, and this one, look at this, super cute. So we have two wooden pieces, and then we have this chipboard piece where you can see all these similar images in there. And then they came up with this new type of pack, which is a little bit like a long type of this thingy. So let's open that too. So first I will open 12 by 12, since we have same thing in 8 by 8, so we are not opening 8 by 8. So let's open this one, and all these opened one I am keeping for myself. I'm not selling them, so don't worry. I don't sell once I open the product, the one I open, I mean. So let's do this one. As you can see, all the very pretty images here. The colors are so pretty, very beautiful colors. And let's open, so you can see all the tags and other journaling things here. So cute. And some cards, this big huge image, very cute. And they also have very beautiful mold, which I didn't get it this time, but eventually I'm getting that. I'm very interested in those molds. And Stamperia's live show, they did show about this mold and all, but I need to wait for that. This image is so cute. You can use this image for your front page if you are making album. And look at all these pages, these slippers, and very cute images. I hope you can see properly the colors and all, music note, laces and all, and this big thing. I can't wait to fussy cut that. Very cute, right? So this violin image, you can use it as a front page. And look at these panels, very cute, with this lace border. And then look at this one, super cute image, the vintage old looking luggage here, you can see right here. And all these music notes and beautiful flowers, roses, old kind of, you can see these roses, tea roses, very cute. And then next one has this page, very beautiful color and lace effect here, very rustic looking page. I love this one. And you can see all these cards here. Each card has one image emphasized. In first you can see cute roses, super cute. Then next one has the dancer image, then this violin and this dress, And then here is a wreath and slippers, so cute. And the keyboard here, and backside is also so cute. And then this one has this cute image, you can see how pretty, and this window so cute, and this piano, very beautiful. It's a really dreamy collection. This one is very pretty page, all the notes and keyboard here, and all the tags, very cute, just like they emphasize all the images from the collection. Super cute page. And then this side has this quilted thing, loved it, so cute. I love this dress, very pretty. And the mold I was talking about, they have that shape in that mold. I'm just eagerly waiting for those molds. And then this page is so pretty, and look at these roses, my goodness, so pretty. And I feel like these rose images are like Pomerian roses somebody made, and then they took the picture. You can literally see all these like you can see these effects, right? It feels like these are foam roses. And this page, so cute, very very pretty pages, amazing. And this page, I like these two colors together always, like rustic color and blue. And this page has all fussy cut thing, very cute, very cute. And back side is this one. So this fashion collection is amazing. And this 8x8, I'm not opening this one, so let's open this one. I'm very interested in this kind of long book, so let's see. Of course they have same images, but let's see how we can use these for our project, because I'm very interested in making tall, long, slim album. So let's see what, oh nice, I like opening this way. You can see these pages opens like that, how cute. So you can see the back side is all quilting thing. And then this page has all these dancers images, you can fussy cut them. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use these. So I'll just keep it like that, because I cannot keep it like this or like this. So let's see. I hope you can see all these images. Back side also same images. So maybe if you cut this image, you will get double-sided image. How awesome. So both side. So if you cut this, she is right there. You know what I mean? So you can get double-sided image instead of just plain white or any different kind of pattern behind. So you will get these ones. Oh, how awesome. How cute are those? And there are all the dresses, my goodness, so cute. Very, very pretty. And same thing like that. So basically what they did, when you fussy cut them, you will get same image on both sides. Each page has this thing. So these are basically this is your fussy cut book. So all the accessories in this book. So I can call it accessory book, right? That is the perfect name for this kind of book. I thought there are long pages with some patterns just like 12x12, but I'm glad they have all the fussy cut here. So pretty images, double-sided images similar. And these windows, oh how awesome. So I really like this accessory book. This one doesn't have it, so this one has this background, but all other pages had the same. You can see similar. And then this one, I like it. I like this page. And then that's it. Very interesting book is this one. So it's like a collectibles. Yeah, they said a collectibles. I didn't read that. Sorry. So we have collectibles here, and then I don't want to open this one, you can see. Then these two wooden pieces and this chipboard, we have it, so cute. And then let's see, these ones has all these images from this one, but I will open this clear pack for you, since I'm interested to see the quality of this vellum or whatever acetate they have used, whatever clear thing they use. So let's open this. Let me just we have, there are so many, it's very heavy pack. I can feel the weight for this pack. Oh my goodness, so cute. All right, so we have this like acrylic plasticky thing. It's really good quality, you can see. That's what this pack is little expensive than the other one, so I just wanted to make sure the difference of these two packs. So cute, oh my goodness, so pretty. Look at this one, amazing. And this one, this image, so cute. And I think they even embossed little bit for her hands. You can see the depth here, so they can pop up those hands, you can see. I hope you can see those. Amazing, I loved it. And then here also they embossed from backside those hands only, so it gives you little bit dimension for these images. So cute, so many images and pieces here. I see, I think they write here it's a 45 pieces, total pieces, including all these smaller ones. So cute. They are slippery, I cannot lift it, they are very slippery. Amazing, right? You can see this piece, super cute. And then the dress, and then this image. Oh my goodness, wow. Stamperia make really quality products, and they gives a lot in that price. I'm very satisfied with Stamperia products. So cute, right? Look at this one. And these smaller ones you can see right here, I cannot lift them. So I'm so glad I opened this pack so we could see exactly what are these clear images. So let's just pack it. I can't wait to create my mini album using these ones. I have already some ideas going on in my mind. So this collection called Passion, and it is listed on my site craftycity.com. I have listed last week, since it's supposed to come last week, but because of custom it reached little late here. But right now I am shipping, and I am shipping super fast, so please feel free to check the website. And there is free shipping on $100 or more shopping, so check it out. And after this one, let's check my next video for another beautiful collection by Stamperia. See you soon.